Hello, today I'm going to unbox the SE8 ANC wireless headphones from COWIN company. After removing the cover, here is a thank you letter, instructions how to connect it, and the owner's manual, the warranty card, and the notice. Here is the headphone itself. It comes on a nice, it's a nice hard shell packaging. Let's open it up. This is a pouch that has the accessories, and this is the headset itself. Looks very nice. This is the padding. It has nice thickness padding. No padding here. This one also has good padding. This is a metallic extension. It can swivel into two directions like this, so you can hang it over your neck. Or like this, which has become very small if you want to put it inside your laptop bag or somewhere. On this side it has 4 buttons. This is the noise cancelling, and this is the volume up and down, and this is the function selection in the middle. It has a headphone jack port and has USB-A small charging port. It's not USB-C. The other one has nothing, no controls. Maybe this is the other noise cancelling holes. Now let's see what's inside this pouch. You can use it for the airplanes when you are traveling inside airplanes to listen to the entertainment inside the airplanes. And this one also, if you want to connect your headphone jack. And here is the headphone jack cable, so you can use it for your laptop or your supported mobile, or you can use it when your batteries run away. And here is the charging cable. It's USB mini, it's not USB-C. Overall, it's good design, good shape, good quality. And now it's time to put some music and try it. See, this is the sound coming from the headset itself. This is Bluetooth blinking, that's connected. So now let's do the noise cancelling. This is first mode. So it seems it has 3 sound modes. And I tried this one on my head while in this setting. I hear nothing outside. It's very good one, very good quality, and I recommend it for you. Really one of the best noise cancelling headsets. Good luck all. Bye.